Hello everyone, in front of me is TCL 305i and let me show you how to change keyboard language. First, open new message or any other area where you can input some text, where you've got access to keypad. And now click on settings icon, select languages, tap on add keyboard and choose the one that you want to use your device in. Let me pick, for example, Arabic, so the difference is a bit more visible. Mark done. And you can stay with both languages if you want to. So then when you go back, you will be able to switch between them with this word icon. But if you will stay with one language only, it will be applied all the time. As you can see, this word icon disappeared. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.